Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try to do the frontal ponytail situation. I've been seeing this all over like Facebook and Instagram, and I want to try it out today because I want to put my hair in a back ponytail, but as we know, my edges ain't legit. So I was trying to figure out how can I do that without damaging my own hair by putting it into a ponytail. And I saw this on Facebook and I really want to try it, so we're gonna try this out today. So before we get started, don't forget to click and subscribe. You guys already know. Please click and subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you are not, thank you for coming back. And it doesn't matter if you're new or you're not new, please click that bell to be notified when I post a new video so you can be the first to watch. Alright guys, so my hair situation. I currently just put my hair back into a ponytail, not all of it, just like the front half. The back half, I missed that. The back half is still in two plaits going back, but the frontal is going to cover all of this, so it don't even matter how exactly your hair look. So as you guys can see, it's a lot better, my edges, than what it was when I first tried to start growing it out, but it's thin here. And if you guys want more history on my edges and growing my edges out, I will leave a info link up top for you guys to click and check out my edges video. Zara smacking on her snack. Just smacking, Zara. Okay, so things you're gonna need from what I saw is the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray, a blow dryer, which I have my blow dryer over here plugged up. I have the Got To Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel. This is the one I have. Other people have the yellow one, but I have this one, and I've been had this, and I was not about to buy some new gel for this video. Some hair. This is one of my wigs, and this hair is from Key-Ray Hair. I just took my wig down because I was gonna bleach it anyways, so I decided to do this first and then see how it looks, and then wear it like this for a couple of days, and then do whatever I was gonna do next. A wig cap. This is my good stuff. I like to use the Dewy and Smooth by Maybelline because I don't like this one, but I use it for my wigs. And some hair scissors and some extra little things that I'm gonna tell you guys as we go along. So the wig cap that I got is, this one's like a brown color. So I guess the first thing I need to do is open this wig cap and get a cap on my head. Oh, this is kind of like a nudie color. It's close to my skin color, just a little bit, still too light. I'm gonna slack that on. Ooh, she's shining. This feels nice. Okay, and I see people go over their ears like this. I'm gonna mess up my makeup playing with this. Ooh, my eyebrows, not the brow. Okay, so they went over their ears and they applied, okay, this ain't gonna stay with my ears, but we're gonna try. They applied the spray. Ooh, I'm scared for my edges, but we're gonna give it a shot. Apply the spray. Whew! Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, y'all did not tell me that this was this cold. The devil is a lie, Jesus. Ooh. And I thought I'd get used to it, but I can't. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blow. That is so cold. Blow dry it, then add another layer. Okay, I'm gonna go in with another layer of the spray. This cap is still not staying over my ears. Oh, it's so cold. And then I'm gonna go in with some gel this time, kind of give that nice little, I don't know, barrier. I don't know what this is all for. I just saw it on the video, so we's gonna do it. Hey. Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna mess up my own hair. Okay, and we got a nice little coat look. Okay, so it's gotten hard. The edges, like right here where my ears are still kind of soft. I don't know if it's ready, so I'm gonna try to, I'm scared. I don't know if I should put another layer of this stuff, but I'm gonna try to go ahead and cut it. If this fails, y'all, it failed. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and see what happens. Cause they make it look so easy on these little tutorials. Okay. Hold on. It seems like it's gonna stay, but I don't want it like way down here because my forehead, well, I guess so, because I don't want to cut my baby hairs. So I'm gonna just cut off, being careful not to cut my skin, this extra cap here. Then I saw somebody like cut here, so. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more gel on this. I'm gonna trim it up and I'm gonna put some more gel and then dry it again and then go in with some foundation. But I guess I have to cut this part off too. Okay guys, so I had to resort to a voiceover because Zara was watching Baby Shark, but I'm going to take more Got To Be gel and place it just on the edge of the cap to make it lay down a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this so it's nice and tacky. But I just want it to be nice and smooth on the edges. Okay, now that that is dry and nice and tacky, I'm just taking the back of the comb instead of using my finger to slick it down. I'm going to take some foundation to color the cap on the edges. Obviously, you know you need to make this match your skin tone a lot better. And this foundation was a bit lighter than my skin tone, but it turned out to work anyways. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess cap. Just be careful not to cut your hair. I was really nervous about this because you could easily just cut your hair with the scissors, but just go under, take your time and cut off the excess cap. It will stay in place because of the hold in the front. Now I will say next time I am going to do this a little bit lower around the ears, but now I'm just placing the frontal on the front just to see how it looks, to make sure it's aligned with the cap. Taking more Got To Be gel and placing that on the edges, and now I'm going to place down the lace and hold it in place using the comb instead of my fingers. And I'm just going to add some extra because on the edges it just wouldn't stay like where my ears were. And now I'm going to blow dry it dry, and I'm kind of pulling it and pushing it down with the comb. You want to use the blow dryer, it helps it dry faster and make the hold even stronger. But I'm just pushing it down with the comb to make sure that the lace and the hair on the edges will stay in place. Okay, now that I'm done with the blow dry, I'm going to go and comb out the frontal to see. And as you can see right there by my ears, it just wasn't dry, it wasn't staying in place. But I'm just combing it back like to make it into a ponytail, and I'm going to just fix that part later. But I'm also going to put this into a ponytail with my hair that's in a ponytail. So be warned guys, that this gel does dry, but it leaves like flakes and it leaves shiny stuff, so you may want to clean up your edges once you are finished. And I'm just kind of leaving out some hair on the sides, and I'm going to brush this into a ponytail for the next step. So now I'm just taking some bobby pins and pinning down the sides because they weren't holding well. So this way, once the gel is fully dry, it'll hold well. I'm going to take my bundle, and this is like literally one bundle, and I think this is 14 inch. And I'm going to do the wraparound method. So I'm just going to wrap this around my ponytail using bobby pins. I know on other videos I saw them use some hair glue and the paper, and they did the paper around their ponytail and then did the weave around their ponytail. I didn't want to put any glue on my hair, and this method worked out for me. But if you don't like how bulky this one is, I would advise doing the other method. So yeah, so I just added my headband to lay down the front even more, and I'm twisting a piece of hair around the ponytail to make it look more natural. So once that is laid flat and laid, it looks really nice. So I'm just going to cut those edges. So as you can see, all I need to do is clean up the sides of my frontal and it'll be done. And as you can see, the edges lay really nicely, but the one thing I will do differently is brush the back of my hair way better. But it turned out really cute, and it was super easy. It lasted about 2 or 3 days, depending on how well you would wrap your hair at night, and I liked it. So if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.